Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial that is coffee inspired because coffee is my most favorite thing in the whole wide world. So before we get into the tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please do follow the girl on Instagram at Andy Missberry. Let's get to it.
So to start things off, I'm going to be starting off with my brows as always. Today I'm using a liner from Smudge. I am using it in the color black because unfortunately I have run out of my dark brown brow liner. However, black will just have to do for the purpose of this video. I'm now using a spoolie to brush out the hairs of my brows. Now that the brows are done, I'm now going to clean them up using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I like to use a small concealer brush to apply the concealer. It just gives me more precision and more control of where I place the concealer. I'm now using another brush to blend out the concealer. I want it to blend in seamlessly to my skin. I'm now using my Lash and Brow Gel Mascara from Essence. I use this to set my brows and keep them in place. Time for primer. I'm using my Revolution Hydrate Primer, which is so hydrating. It's amazing. It leaves the skin having a glow before you even apply the foundation. I'm now going in again with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using it to brighten my chin area, my under eyes, before I apply the foundation. I'm now going to blend that in with my trusty beauty sponge. Alright, I've had to get this hair out of the way. I'm now using my BB cream from Garnier in the color Dark. It matches pretty well with my skin tone. I'm not using foundation today. I've decided to use a BB cream instead. I've been liking it more lately, so I'm going to be doing this tutorial using a BB cream instead. To blend out the foundation, I am using my foundation brush from Discam. I love this brush. It blends in the foundation seamlessly. It really does the job really well. And don't forget about your neck. I'm going over the foundation one more time with my beauty sponge. Alright, it's time to highlight. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30. It is more of a yellow tone and I love it because it's really brightening. I'm now blending out the concealer with my beauty sponge. I'm using two powders to set my concealer. I'm using the Yardley Loose Powder as well as the Revolution Luxury Powder. I'm going to blend them together so I can get the nice shade that I'm looking for. I like to use this fluffy brush to apply the powder to all the highlighted areas. I just find that it works better for me than a beauty sponge. Now that I'm done setting my highlights, I'm going in with my NYX highlight and contour palettes. This is an OG. I've had it for such a long time, and these are the two brown shades that I'm using to contour. I'm now going in with a smaller and thinner brush to contour my nose. I'm now going in with a blending brush to use the same contour on my eyelids and use it as an eyeshadow. I'm doing this just to give my eyes a subtle wash of color. Phew, it's time for some liquid liner. I'm using the one from Essence today, and I'm just going to use it to frame my eyes. I'm not necessarily going to do a wing today, but I'm just going to use it to give my eyes a bit of definition. Now I'm going in with my Dior Pump Mascara. I'm applying the mascara to both my upper and lower lashes. Time for some highlighter. Today I'm using my Contour and Glow palette from Scarlet Hill. And I'm applying the highlighter subtly with one of my blending brushes. Now we need to set all these powders. Today I'm using my Hyaluronic Fix setting spray from Revolution. I'm using this brown toned lipstick from MAC in the shade Whirl. And I'm going over the lipstick with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Athens. And we're finally done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.